So welcome to the first Python lesson. So first go to REPL.it, then you can just log in. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up. So mine is Spot sign, password. Okay, there. Okay, good. Now I'm signed in. Okay, so first, press the new REPL thing. So REPL.it is basically where you can code and you can run code. So first of all, just create a REPL. REPL is basically like a coding environment. We'll just call this Python tutorial. Yes, Python tutorial. Sure. REPL is nice because you don't have to install Python in order to do stuff, so that's good. First of all, we're going to print test. So print left bracket, and then it makes a right bracket for you. Then you put in a quotation mark, and it creates the other quotation mark for you, and then you write some stuff. You like type something in here, stuff, print stuff. It's going to print stuff. You can keep printing stuff, so let's print stuff again. Okay, you can just keep going, Keep in mind that it like enters every time. So if you don't want to enter, you can just comma end equals a quotation mark, and then REPL will make the other quotation mark for you. So stuff, like that. Also, you can print multiple things at once with the print function. So if you want a sing1, then you want to print sing2, you can print sing2 like this. First of all, sing1 quotation mark, sing1 with quotation marks. Remember to add quotation marks, or else there's an error. And then comma, and then sing2 with quotation marks around it. So let's just run it like this: sing1, sing2 with a space. Also, if you print something without quotes around it, like hello without quotes, you're gonna get an error. Name hello is not defined. Also, you can print numbers too. So print 10. Awesome.